are pleased to show you the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, steel wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.